Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to transfer data from Android to Android. From both the mobiles, install AirDroid from the Play Store, then open the app in both mobiles. Now click on top right skip. Now click on continue and allow from both the mobiles. Then click on nearby from both devices. Now click on tap to search from first device. Then click on allow only while using the mobile. Now click on nearby from right side device. Then click on OK. Then click on allow only while using the mobile. From the left side, click on right side mobile name. From the right side mobile, click on OK. From the left mobile, click on gallery icon. Then select images and click on send. Then click on pin icon. Then select apps. Then select the apps and click on send. By following these steps, you can transfer data from Android to Android.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.